Oops. Okay, I gotta switch this mouse. Oh, hey, Josh. Mind what to do. Ah, yes, the wandering mind of what to do. I don't know. How are you all know? Alright! I'm just finishing up sharing to people. Okay. How about you? Sorry I took forever. Also, is the music to my voice ratio okay still? My stomach is really bothering me, so I took some Pepto, because that's why I didn't start for like half an hour. So hopefully that calms down. It already feels like it's doing okay. I don't know why it says I have 4 viewers. I don't think that's true though. Oh hey Avalon. Customer want ads. Like enough ads to freeze their operating system. Well, the customer is my brother, so probably not. I'm doing alright. Just working on my game skills, so not in the mood to do much else. Yeah, I get that, Josh. So today, they don't just want ads. Oh yeah. My brother definitely wants. They want ads that pop up. Yeah, they also need ads that block the music that they're gonna have on there. Yeah, unless it's hidden. It'll also download adware. How you doing, Avalon? Doing alright today? Shout at them. Okay, so today I thought. This mouse is not. I need it to be somewhere in between this one and the next one, but whatever. By the way, yeah. Let's see. Lots of keyloggers. I don't know if you know, Chrome now auto blocks sound unless you use. Oh yes, I do kind of know. I did kind of notice that. You like my search history? Right, wireframing. How did I wireframe before? Well, even before that. Searches, yeah. Let me just look really quick before I do anything crazy, just because I'm curious how I did it before. Public models. Well, can use drawing tool would be good enough. Well, before we even do that, let's actually think about what our customer needs. We're gonna do some kind of comparison site and like use that, and we're gonna take some notes. Now, I did ask for him to send me a list, and he hasn't sent it to me yet, but I figured I'd get ahead of him, which is why this is called predicting what he wants. Yeah, so I'm going to put the notes over here, but just so you know. Oh, yeah, okay. Alright, well, first thing. Should the site be mobile friendly? Most sites this day and age are viewed from the phone, if I recall correctly. So let's just go ahead and say mobile friendly at the top there. That's a whole other thing on its own, but I'll separate it for now. Yeah. So mobile friendly. So let's look at, I don't know. This is just off the top of my head. Let's look at Green Day's website, shall we? Okay. I literally just threw this up because I was like, I don't know, Green Day? Interesting. So, this is kind of interesting to me. So, their nav looks good. This is their logo, so it's fine, but I don't know why it's on top of a picture. Also, let's see if it is mobile friendly, shall we? And it is. Yeah, well, the new album Father of All out now. Stream, download. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's pretty mobile friendly. Yeah, because you can even watch the YouTube videos here. Oh, okay, it just sends you a link. Oh, that's because of that, okay. Hi. Oh, I really shouldn't play this music. So are you gonna try and bootstrap? You know, good question. Can I even see if they're using bootstrap on this? It doesn't change the thing. Look at all these scripts. Chartbeat. The hell is Chartbeat? Well, I want to know what it is. Chartbeat, what is... Yo, I just want to know what it is, that's all. Oh, I'm not using it right now, but I might. It's not impossible, obviously. We haven't done anything yet. I might want to just go full custom, though, considering, yes, I'm going to be doing a lot of code that Bootstrap could handle for me, but on the other side of the spectrum, if I let Bootstrap handle all the stuff for me, other than the fact that it'd be easier overall, it would, one, give a pretty samey look to his website that a lot of other websites have. That doesn't mean I can necessarily make it better, but I'd at least like to try for a learning experience purpose, because I have unlimited time on this project. If I had a limited time, I would definitely use Bootstrap. But since I'm kind of using this as a learning experience, I think I'm going to throw Bootstrap for now to the wayside and try to do my own thing. Style, the front-end stuff, especially stylization, is my weakest aspect as a developer. So I'd like to get better at it, even if it takes a while. So let's see. I'm going to just guess that Chartbeat is a site that creates charts or some shit. I don't know. Okay. So I'm gonna use also a different one, just to compare the two, to see what's another one that's more recent. Maybe we should look at one that's specifically for jazz. Who are top jazz musicians? Yeah, that's not what I meant. Lady Gaga. Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah. Here we go. Here's a guy from New Orleans. Okay, so this is an actual website that he made. This looks like a... I don't mean to knock him down or anything. This looks like a pretty generic website, though. As far... This is the welcome page. Hold on. Oh, I'm probably killing things with that. This looks like either a enter site. That's pretty interesting. This looks like either a Shopify or like a... Oh, what am I thinking of? One of those website builder sites. Which is, again, fine for this. Like, I honestly... If I wasn't making this from scratch, I'd honestly suggest he used one of those. I don't know why, but his intro video or whatever is just not working. I don't really like that so much. I don't really like that welcome. Seems confusing. What? Let's see. So here's him performing his video. Here's a bunch of magazine covers. For some reason. Interesting. Christopher has a couple of magazine covers. You know what? Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a folder in here that I'm not going to commit, I think. Maybe I will. And just call it... or maybe I should put it in public, since that's where I put all my other references. We're going to... New folder. We're going to call this... Call this references. So I can go over with him. I don't think I spelled that right. References. Is that right? I'm bad at spelling. It's hard to tell. So we're going to do that. And we're going to... When I see him, I'll send him this site and show him specific pictures. So we're going to save this note. Man, now I'm tempted. So, actually, we're going to call this... No, well... I could show him specific pictures, or I could just show him the sites themselves. So, you know what? We're just going to save... Yeah, we're going to make a folder just called Notes. In the public. Outside. Just for my sake. This is where we're going to put this. So save as... Okay, we're going to call this website thoughts. Pretty bad name, but... Alright, so... Things we want. We're going to save that there. So that's great. We're going to make a new text document here as well. We're going to call it website references. And it's just going to have a list of these websites that we're going to. that we think are interesting or have interesting parts. We're even gonna... I'm gonna take pictures, but... Stop. I don't know. Maybe you're following, maybe you're not. So this one, I'm gonna put underneath Jazz. No, we're, well. Yeah. I guess technically we don't want to use the stretch mute. Oh, here we go. Oh, I don't like that. I don't know if you saw that, but basically how he seems to have his site set up, I don't really care for that much. But it's like, so it says Stretch Music Home. It's all one word. Stretch Music seems to be like the site that he's using, and then his name.tv, and then the Catholic Church. I probably. There you go. Woo! Look at that. It's about what you expect. Oh boy. I mean, it's not the worst thing in the world. It's just very old looking. You want to see every pope ever? Jeez. File by century. Okay, sorry. So this is an interesting thought, I feel like. Because, like, media, right? When you think of media, I feel like the first thing you want to put up are your videos. But I guess the point of this is to show, it's like, look how many covers I've had. Look how successful I am. Or, like, take me seriously. Because all these magazines have my pictures on them. That's an interesting thought. And I'm curious if Christopher would like that. Alright, we're under notes here. We're just going to put jazz musician. Has a media page with magazine covers and his videos. And then, yeah. So, yeah, and it goes all the way down. With all the socials at the bottom. I think that's a constant, though. Socials at the bottom. That's pretty consistent, though, across most websites. And then he has his bio, which talks about him personally. Bio page, and it's pretty long. This guy is not old, but he's older, I guess. Stretch Music. Okay, letter to a future artist. Maybe Stretch Music is his brand? Oh, it's an album. That's his album. So, bio page includes his life, then album, interesting. I don't know what this is. It's like a letter. I don't know if these notes are going to help, but I'm just thinking about what Christopher may want. I don't know what concept implies. Wait, it's an app? Oh, it's an app. What? Okay, weird. But he has one just specifically about the app. Yeah, it's $10. I mean, it's got good ratings. It only has 11, but it's got good ratings. The one thing I think that's really interesting about this website, I feel like, other than the pictures of himself, it's kind of bland. It's very straightforward. Like, the font's pretty nice. I don't really like this, but can't really do much about it. Oh, you know what? We didn't even try the mobile. Okay, yeah. Hamburger. I don't get it. It just doesn't work. Oh, you know what? This looks like almost... Hold on, let me see. Oh, that's kind of annoying. Well, because, like, if you're on mobile, you have to scroll down quite a bit before you even get to the videos. It's really long, too. I'd say it's not unfriendly, but it's not built for mobile for sure. Yeah, I don't know if "ew" is the right word. It's just not what I would do. It's just like, I think what I'd probably do for the mobile is have these either, well, like, I'm trying to think about it as like if it was on my actual phone. Because, like, what if you accidentally click on one of these and you're like, ah, shit, ah, fuck. And you're like scrolling. Like, I have the choice of clicking, but when you are doing this with your phone, you sometimes do click on it. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I definitely separate the cover. I think I'd separate the covers with a tab. But he already has so many tabs. Yeah, I don't like this. This sucks. I get what he's trying to go for. Very minimalist style, mind you. Nice fonts, good pictures. This just goes back to this, which again doesn't work. I think he could have just called this Stretch Music, or he could have called this My App, or something like that. Also, bio/concept. Bio would have been fine on its own, and then put the app here. I don't know why it was so pivotal. Tour! Tour is important. I think for Christopher, it should be we don't necessarily need a tour page, but like shows, like a shows page. Which will probably want multiple pages. We don't want one long page, for sure. Do we want it to fit on... Do we want no scroll? Or... So we'd either want no scroll, page scroll, or window scroll. Which just means the window on the page scrolls, not the actual full thing. The full page like this has it. I mean, I know this is kind of a... I mean, I don't blame him that he doesn't have any shows, especially right now. But I wish I could see an example. I bet Green Day or some... Give me 1 second. Okay. Oh, here you go. Past dates. Hey, that's great. Sweet. Alright, so this takes it to a place with the actual link to the event. Okay. That's good. Hi. What is this? Oh, it's chocolate?
It's not ice cream.
Maybe. My stomach's bothering me a little bit.
I don't want it to go to waste.
Okay. I think I'll pass for right now. So this is okay. This might even be a plugin. Maybe this is just what he uses in general. But this is actually not bad. This is not what normally would happen. Clearly. This is just because it's doing the past dates. I don't know if past dates is appropriate, though. That's a good thing to think about, though. On tour... Because, like, once a show is over, you know, it's over. I'll just put on tour page shows both upcoming and past shows. I don't know, it could be kind of cool where it's like, oh yeah, he went to my city like 3 years ago. Like in 2013. But I mean, you can't really... Let's see, asked to play in my city. Ooh, no thank you. We're not gonna do that. This doesn't really apply to Christopher since he's just mostly local playing anyway, for now. Track ticket concert. Yeah, no, it's just more of that. Okay, so that's connected to a third party. So let's say all shows connected to third party site called, what's it called? Bands in Town. Okay. Alright. Collaborations. Collaborations is a really professional way of saying it. I don't know how he'd feel about just changing it to collabs. I don't know. It's shorter, but it doesn't sound as nice. Okay, he worked on this soundtrack for this movie, or did he act in it? And then become famous, buy followers. Funky, could you please ban him? Okay, so this seems to be it. Thank you. Alright, so Samara, let's see. What the hell? Kyle Adrian. Okay, I don't mean to, again, pull anything up. This image, okay, this just doesn't look great. I don't know. It's just the poster. It might be older, but this poster just doesn't look good. I mean, it's from 2016. Like, she looks fine, but the red just it stands out. But they picked thin letters and small ones, and it's hard to see. I don't know. That's a nitpick on my part, I guess. Yeah. So Samara. I don't know how else to put this. Oh, it's a student. No, maybe not. Keel Adrian. I can't spell, can I? No, I spelled that right. Oh, Scott. Whoa. Here we go. I found some kind of picture. What is this? Alright. Streaming. This is a post in 2018. Oh, Samaria. No wonder I misspelled it. No wonder I couldn't find it. There we go. Oh, I'm blocking it, that's why. No? Okay. That's weird. I don't know why, but this guy's website, that is literally the dude's website for this movie, doesn't show the majority of these images. What? That's so weird. Yeah, it's very odd. I don't understand, but it's okay. We're not gonna watch it. We're just gonna... He was a writer of NBA 2K. Interesting. I mean, he's done some stuff. Okay, anyway, it's not even about him. We're just trying to do website stuff. I was just curious. Anyway, that's how I get distracted. Okay, so... Okay, so here it is. Wouldn't this be the first thing you'd want to say? Wouldn't you want to say, if you're a jazz musician, that the first thing is that you scored the films? I feel like... I'm not gonna... I mean, that's just a choice of text. Okay. I don't know how I would change this, because it's mostly just seems like a flex. I don't know. Doesn't feel like it has anything to do with the music. Just like, yeah, I worked on a movie. Great. I mean, I guess. But Christopher doesn't have anything like this, so I wouldn't even count it. Like, I would never... I mean, it literally just says, boasting complimentary gifts has afforded Christian and his twin brother, because that's his name. Christian has also scored all of the film projects, which have won several awards, aired on HBO, PBS, Cinemax, BET, Short TV, Creative Control, Centric, and featured on the Canvas Film Festival and Count Metrish. Of the film, Row Effect and Academy Award-winning director John DeMay remarked, "Exquisitely made, fantastic, He'll return to the director chair with Samaria, an award-winning short film adaptation of his becoming feature Epilogue. Samaria earned Killa Directors Guild of America Student Film Award, Outstanding Directional Achievement, Audience Award for Best Short Film." Oh, it's a short film. Okay. It was a finalist in the 2015 Student Academy Awards. Directed to BET Miseries, the Bobby Brown story, which will air in 2018. Scott Brothers' next collaboration with Keel feature of Epilogue. Oh, the movie is called Epilogue. I guess he's working on it still. I don't know. Aside from these kind of low-res pictures, I mean, this is weird to me, especially for a musician. But whatever. Endorsements. Alright. Christopher doesn't have to worry about this for sure. I don't know. Oh, wait. Is this his? These are his trumpets that he made. Are brass instruments, I should say. These must be the names. The Serenet, the Reversed Fugal, Christian. Wow, I've never heard of anyone using these. So, the Siren. Okay, other endorsements. The Gap, Master Dynamic. Well, let's just say Christopher doesn't have to worry about that, so we'll just skip that. So this is the shop, which again, Christopher probably won't have to worry about too much. But let's see. Yeah, using quotes is not horrible. Oh shoot, I got some stuff in the mail. Hold on, I'll be right back. But coming soon. Has created a. Oh, this is his full name. I see. Line of essential wearables for forward learning global. What? So in 2018, he announced he was going to be doing a fashion line, but it hasn't come out yet. So let's see. Let's just go look at his stuff. Standard. iTunes, Bandcamp. Bandcamp, what the hell, man? This is not how all Bandcamp looks, is it? Oh, thank God. Alright, so you can customize it. This guy just hasn't really... I'm gonna get the mail, but I'm curious. Alright, so you could get his CD. You really can't anymore. Weird. I mean, that's fine. I don't think he'll have anything to... My brother will have anything to promote, so... Besides just shows. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay. I got the mail. Can you guess what it is? I will reveal them together since they are connected. I'll give you a hint. It's a video game. 2 video games specifically. For the days you feel like, wow, so rude. I'll show you once I get all this damn wrapping off and shove it in the recycle. I'll have to test them later, but to make sure they work. No, you don't. Shush. You're beautiful, Funk. Look for this. That's one. And that's Dus. Wow, they're pretty good condition. I hope they work. Since I'm not gonna get an Xbox anytime soon. For the Rare collection. Thank you, thank you. Those will definitely have to be played at some point. So I got a second one of these, so I could actually put them. And because you can't really tell what they are, I've actually bought from Etsy these little spine stickers that someone made. They're fan made, but they're really, really well made. I saw Scott the Woz was using them for his, and I was like, oh, fuck, that's a really cute idea. I like that. I want that. Give it. I hold a lot of powerful N64. Did I not show you the whole like N64 cartridge that I had? Besides Ocarina of Time, I also have Majora's Mask and Pokemon Stadium and Pokemon Snap, Kirby, and then a couple others you don't care about probably. I have the original Smash Brothers as well, but I mean, who am I going to play it with? Not like I can play it online. Alright. So, my contact. Management and booking. Oh, I see. This is actually important. Oh, fuck. I had an idea right before I left. In my head. There was something very specific. Shit. Well, we should definitely have this contacts. I like, contacts page so people can book him. Also for the tabs themselves, probably want a home, a bio. Yeah, just do it like that. A home, a bio, a shows. And then maybe shop if he actually wants to put some songs up for sale. Shop slash maybe, because I know for sure he'll want like a media. That was the other one. A media tab, which I'm gonna dub as show your stuff. I don't think media is a good term for it, but I don't know what anything else right now. I'm just basing off of this one site. And we're going to go through the Green Day site as well. This is way nicer, by the way. Like music, videos. Yeah, you know what? Because like, here. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, the videos literally just goes to the video. Oh, interesting. You know what? That's not too bad. You waste less space on your actual... Here we go. Yeah, tour. It's a funny mascot. I like it. News. Okay. Weird, but okay. Sign up? Oh, like a... Does this just, like, send emails out about your... I'll put that on discussion. I don't know if we want that. Like a... We probably would just want Christopher's social medias than to send emails out when everything comes out. That's kind of weird, I feel like. Report an issue. And even their store is out to a different store. Weird. I mean, it's fine. It's just interesting. Honk if you're horny. Yeah, Christopher won't have to worry about that right now. But we could add one and just say nothing in store or whatever. Oh, that's what the shop was. Ah. Yeah, I don't know. It's... What the hell? Sorry, I'm just checking something really quick. Sorry, my Chelsea was texting me and she's at work, so I'll just give her. Okay, so back to this. I don't think we need all of this. Mostly just because, one, this is silly to have the concept. I think all of his stretch music stuff should just be in the one tab. Media, that's fine. I don't know, it comes off a little... To me, it comes off as like... look at all the stuff I've done. I have so much I have to prove. Oh, here we go. So we could call this media, or we can split these into videos and music. Or split into music. Alright. Good to know though. But it's really simple overall, this website. So we're gonna take that off just because that's a jazz musician. We're gonna go and critique Green Day's, for example, stuff. We're gonna do 2 more websites just because we're gonna do this one and we're gonna do one more. Yeah. Just because that's cool. It's a cool poster. Sorry, I guess I'm still not very good at this kind of stuff yet. And Chelsea's texting me, and I'm like splitting myself up I want to give her. Oh yeah. Did you? What? I need to get more water. Alright, so we're just gonna throw Green Day in there. Okay. Cool. Let's go ahead and point out the obvious. It's clean but stylized. Very fun to look at. Yeah, it's alright. I find it a bit handicapped trying to pick apart what's useful. I guess I would try my own stuff and say, yeah, I'm just trying to guess of things that Christopher would want, so I don't waste on extra features. And I'm mostly going to go through it with him in case he doesn't know what he wants. But don't worry, by the hour mark, we'll start actually coding and actually like trying to build something. Even if it's just a homepage that says, "My name is Christopher." Let's see. It's clean, stylized. I like that the Green Day shows like the newest thing right at the front. Newest project at the gate. Not a big fan that Green Day, like their logo, takes up the first ginormous section of the screen. And I only say that because, yeah, you know where you are. But I don't know what it is about putting the picture that musicians have a big deal. But I'm sure maybe Christopher will want that too. I don't know. But I mean, pretty much all of the new stuff is over here. And then, you know, it shows still their music. Oh, that's what I need to add. The ability to give Christopher some kind of editing control. Yeah. So, yeah, well, I would want Christopher to be able to upload new videos on his own and take down old videos as well as new music or old music. So specifically music and videos and shows. That way he can, that way he can manage his own website or have someone else manage it without us having to, which would include, if we do this, it means we have to have some kind of admin version. With a password. Since you can't just let anyone, because there has to be a public version and an admin version then. But, I mean, it's either that or I would have to manage his site, which I'm not his manager or anything. And he doesn't just have a developer besides me. So I'd have to make it eligibly to be edited by someone, so long as they had the proper password. But we'll figure that out later. That's interesting, but I didn't think about that before. Let's see. Anyway, let's check out. Okay, let's see. Ah, stupid. I like the front. The front page has videos. So has probably some favorite videos, music and video tabs go to external links like YouTube, and then we don't need to worry about their store. Yeah, we really don't need to know anything about this. Okay, cool. We're gonna move on from that, and we're gonna try this other random person. What are you doing? Okay. Oh, now that's clean. All right, so this guy's got like all of his stuff pretty much. Yeah, so this guy's got a one page pretty much. That's not true, but he has like an extended bio. Press media. This is clean. This is definitely, I don't know. Yeah, this is definitely one of those sites that's like a pre-made thing, I think. But it's nice. This is probably the best site we've seen today. There's only there's only 4 tabs, and only 4 tabs that do anything. Because Tour just takes you to the music tab. Again. Yeah. Oh, no, wait. What is happening? Okay, that's weird. So Tour takes you down. But if you take... So if I do Tour and I do... Okay, so it starts you on Tour. So these all go to places. It doesn't tell you where you are, though, which is a little unfortunate. Interesting. Home takes you to Tour for some reason. I don't know if I like that, but okay. It's not awful. It's still pretty decent. The show stuff could... Oh, that's actually alright. This kind of comes in, but can't really help that too much. Music. They even have like a playable. They even have like playable like list you can listen to here. Bye. What is this? Player. Okay. Is this a made player or is this a player made by something else? That's kind of good. It must be something with Bandcamp. But you can listen to it on Spotify. I like that he has his music actually on the site. Alright, this will be the last one we look at. It's also very clean and has good color without being too extra. Like, clearly dictating which section is which kind of thing. So these are like 3 different albums. And showing the different musics. Yeah, all of his 5 albums too. That's pretty good. Yeah, I guess you wouldn't want... I don't know if I would... It's interesting that he starts with Tour as his home, but I can't really blame him. So, only 5 tabs. It's good. So I'm going to say things we'll want. I mean, I'll discuss with him if he wants. Have music playable on site. So only 5 tabs. It's good. Okay, so all right. So interesting, right? The home page shows the most recent album. And then shows the shows, and then about his biography. So it's like a little taste of everything. But if you want to go into more specifics, the About has more about his life, specifically. Tour. It's just the home page. But it takes you to the tour page. It's a tour section. Since there's not really much to tour, I guess. Press and media specifically has weird, but like press articles. So instead of actually showing like the pictures like the other guy had with just the covers, he actually links you to the articles about that have been done of him. That's pretty nice. I think I can appreciate that. Usually just online ones, mind you, but this guy seems to be pretty young in comparison. Okay, so press tab. So you have to read it. And then links to his Facebook. These are just pictures, I think. Yeah, pictures and then videos and then contact. Is contact only on his press and media? Yeah, okay. And then he combines press with media. Oh yeah, I guess we'd want to maybe... like discuss, do we want to have his Instagram? Probably not. He doesn't use Twitter, and he barely uses Facebook, so Instagram's probably the best one for him to use in that. Front page has a little of everything, and tour bio has story. And let's see, what was one other thing? Oh, it's also clean. Each section on page has a new back. Except for this one, but I think it's all supposed to be together. That's interesting. This is like, so this is their captcha to prove that's not a bot. That's funny. Let's see. Might need to set up a debate tonight. Just watching Taylor and Mick. Assumes Alex. Already debating it. Wait, what? Why? Oh, Jesus. What? Topic idiot. Oh. Uh-oh. Jesus, Alex. That's funny. Yeah, don't play, please. Fuck. Alright, I need to do actual code. This is good info though. To start on something. Because I've just been comparing right now and taking notes. I mean, it really is just gonna be, we gotta get into it before we can actually make a real decision. All we have right now is some clear, like, okay, here's some examples to look at, and then things that we know for sure we want. Alright, I'm gonna get some water. Some more water. After that, I promise we will be starting the stream with code. Like, I mean, the stream is up, but you know what I mean. Yeah, get some lunch. Get some freaking lunch. Also, I don't know if I've sworn at all this stream. I hope not, because I haven't added anything to the swear jar. Alright, cool. That's good. Alright. So we're gonna save both of these and use them when we need to. For now, we're just gonna have to do it. Alright. Uh-oh, I've already forgotten. Come on, brain, why are you this way?
Last.
Is it just... What? Hold on, I gotta go back to my own YouTube channel. Regret. Man, I can't even find my own. Like, I found my YouTube video, I just can't find it inside. Oh my god. Fucking hell. I don't know how. Oh, that's why. I'm just dumb. Because I forgot. No, my video that I made yesterday, or 2 days ago. Okay, so we're running that now. I'll go back here. Yeah, okay. Yes. Alright, we're back up and running. And we can still do this, right? Yeah. Alright, one thing I also wanted to get was React. Here we go. React designed to start gradual. You can use as little, as much React as you need. Whether you get add a DOM container. Add an empty div tag. Mark where you want to display something with React. We gave this div unique ID. Okay, blah blah blah. Add script tags. Create a React component. You know what? I'm going to just first, before I add React, what I'm going to try to do is create a basic site. I think before any of that. And if I hate doing it, but I should get more comfortable with redoing code and having to go back over old work that I've already done, because I have a really bad tendency to think, okay, I only want to do this once, so it ends up stopping me so much, because I'm like, alright, I want to make sure this works on the first try, and like the moment it doesn't work on the first try, I get really annoyed, and then when I finally get it to work, I'm already so ticked off that if I ever have to touch it again to try and fix it, I just shut down. I'm like, I don't want to, or I just mindlessly don't even think about it, like try to fix it, but just don't care. It's one of my bad habits for sure. Anyway, we need to just start by making a front page. The index, as you would say. And we have a style sheet. I guess we should make a new folder inside public called style sheets. Well, no, we really don't. We just call this main. We don't really need that much styling for this site. It's not a huge website or anything, but we can always adjust later. Um. Alright. We just have to save that for now. It's okay. I'm sorry. I'm starting to do that thing where I get ahead of myself, where I'm like, ah shit, ah shit, ah shit. I should do this. Oh, and I should do this. And I should add this. And I should make sure that this is safe. But this is really not that big of a project, and I am overscoping the hell out of it in my head. There's nothing wrong with having, like, there's nothing wrong with having an idea in your head, but I really just need to start coding, otherwise I'm gonna get too fixated on something. You just gotta push through. Alright, we're gonna remove, well, this is just, we'll rename this to be, because I would, trying to worry about things too soon. Yeah, no, it's true. It's very true. We do that. People like us do that a lot. I'll just call this, let's look at our notes really quick. We'll just, if we're making two tabs right now, the main two is going to be home, which is index, home, and then, let's say for now, music. Since I know for sure he'll want to display his music. I'm pretty sure. So we're going to call this music. Rename music page. Yeah, so this is the main page. Oh, okay, you know what? Something I do think we should talk about is the layout. The layout page. See, now I'm having trouble remembering what I can and can't do. Because having a layout template, I don't know if that's a thing you can do in just basic HTML JavaScript. I think you do need something like React for that. Okay, well, here's what we can do though. Alright. Yes, that's true, probably, Funky. But for now, what we can do is just create the layout. And once we make how we want the layout to be, theoretically, mind you, it's not going to be perfect. No, I agree. Yeah, let's just create it first, then we can worry about spreading it around. So, yeah, let's do that first. Oh, yeah! Oh, that's what I forgot about the wireframing. Okay. I don't remember how we used to wireframe, but sure as hell wasn't this. Yes, I know how to wireframe. I'm trying to remember what app I used. Mockflow, maybe. Yes. I do have a Google account. Why do you need my Google login? There we go. Okay. New project. It is a web project, so. Yeah, I don't have Adobe, so we're just gonna have to use this free mock-up website. Let's go with project name, Bro Site. Alright. I don't know. We want the full 1080 by 1920, isn't it? Oh, it's the other way around. Can we zoom out? I don't understand. Well, that's fine. I could, well, no, because even if I do zoom out, well, oh no. Wow, Funky, I can't believe you're just so right. How dare you? Okay. So, this is definitely the part I have the hardest trouble with in development. Because those sites that I used are good references, but I don't want to just straight up copy them. I guess we should go for functionality first before we really go for stylization, because we can just continually build up style over time. Okay, so if we're just doing a layout though, let's just be very, very simple about this. Elements. Rectangle. So we'd want some kind of bar up here. Some kind of nav bar. We'll make it just to make it really stand out. Oh, that's horrible. It's a little hard. Blue. There we go. It's a little softer. Yeah, focus on placing things down where you want them and see there. Yeah. So we'll want this. We'll want some kind of bar with. You know what? I changed my mind. I'm gonna turn it back to black. And we're just gonna put white letters up here. Elements. Label. Font color white. This is based kind of on the one before it, but it's kind of hard to really know what to do here. I don't know. Do I just double click? Okay. The problem with choosing a color scheme is I don't know what this color scheme he's thinking about is. So, and jazz is interesting when it comes to colors, because there's black and white you could use for jazz because of the 20s and stuff, or you could use like every color in the rainbow in a very harsh setting, which is like 50s jazz and modern, really. So we're just gonna call this home. Music. No, I don't want to combine them. No, don't group them. Not yet. Oh, damn it. Oh. This is like Crystal Reports all over again. Close enough. We don't need it to be exact. We can get it exact later. Group. Okay. And then we're gonna copy that, paste that. And we're gonna... Oh, wait, can you? Ah, okay, that's how it works. And in here, we're going to go bobbity boobity. Ah! Okay. Bio, we'll do bio and shows. Shows bio. Okay, I'm okay with that for now. We'll group these two as well. Group. Sick. So now we can move these wherever. We're just gonna put them in the middle because it's nice. I don't know. I guess this would be row site. I'm not gonna give it a proper name right now. Okay. We could thin this up a little bit and move these up here. Yeah, that looks alright. But this is just for the layout right now. What would be constant? I guess at the bottom, regardless of scroll or not, there would be Facebook, like the social media. There we go. Just drop 3 circles in here. So like at the bottom, we get like, it's a little big, but you get what I mean, so that's much better. These are not evenly spaced. There we go. That's better. Oh my gosh, how do I lock this? Lock. Great. Lock. Lock all these. Great. Um. Still a little off. There we go, that's better. Group these. We need it in the center. X should be... What's the center of 1920? Calculator! 960. Okay. Alright, well that's not where we want... man, unlock. Oh, is this thing just not long enough? We're just going to extend it out of the bounds. It's not that important if it's in bounds or not. Fuck. Okay, so we clearly don't want it there. We want the center of it to be there. Okay. So... what is it, 960? Calculator, where are you? $960, okay, that was right. So this is where... it'd be about here. We can't get too stickler on the wireframe. What are you doing, man? Oh, we can make our own. That's nice. I don't know what's happening. It won't let me... ah, there we go. Common? And there we are. Web. So, here... we have these. Do we get... text? That's perfect. Awesome. F... for Facebook. Center. Alright, copy this. Or paste it here. My mouse is too sensitive. Okay. Double click. This is going to be Twitter. I can't put the logos in right now, so don't worry about it. And this will be Instagram. So we are FIT, fit. So yeah. That might be all we need for the layout for now. The problem with this is maybe tomorrow what I'll do is instead of focusing on this site for my brother, I might wait until I actually have a chance to talk to him and go over what he really wants first. But in the meantime, maybe I'll make another site like just a fun site, something I just make on my own, so I can actually use it to incorporate React and such with it. Maybe that's a good idea. I don't know. Yeah, I don't really have that much to show though, Josh. Unfortunately, like, I can't really show the work I did in my last 2 jobs, and I don't really have that much to show from my projects either, especially ones I haven't updated in forever. I don't know. Break the law and copyright your stuff. Yeah, I feel the same way. Yeah, it's, I don't know. Making your own website, like, as, like, for your own self, I feel like it can be cool, but I feel like that benefits more designers than developers, if that makes sense. Because, like, a developer, if they're getting hired for backend stuff especially, you just send them to your GitHub of a project you're doing, and then they'll just, I mean, obviously not the recruiter, but the person who actually will decide if you're getting hired usually. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. This is a good start, though, I think. Yeah, I mean, it's not a bad idea, Josh. I think, I mean, I don't really have a job right now, so I guess with if I'm not working on, I'm not quite done. I'm gonna try and at least get this up. I feel like I haven't done any code today, so let's at the very least, today was a lot of research, so let's at the very least, let's get this basic ass thing going. We can even introduce, like, the layout part at least. Okay. Alright, let's just try. I'm discouraged, but I'm gonna try to push through it. We're just gonna try to make this layout, and then next time I'll try to turn it into an actual layout. Or something like that. So for now, let's just throw caution to the wind and fuck around, shall we? Let's make this called navbar. And here we will have the text that we're looking for. So P home P. Actually, these should be like H2s or something with a class. Class, we're going to call this nav tabs. Or nav tab. We're gonna have to remember this, so I'll throw that there. So we have home, music, shows, and then Yo Mama. What am I doing? What was the fucking... Ah! Damn it, I did it. What was the last thing? If I don't know everything, what am I supposed to do with my life? No, it's okay, Josh. I'm just trying to remember what I had for the last thing, the last tab. I have notes. What am I doing? Bio. Alright, and we'll take this ID. Go to the CSS. We'll say H2, color is white, or actually it's just dot, nav tab, and then nav bar, background color is going to be black. Alright, let's just see what this looks like. Sick. Didn't do anything that I wanted. I love it. Alright, oh. Yeah, that would do it. There we go. Alright, we're getting somewhere. And then at the bottom, the footer, we're gonna have 3 circles with generic images inside them, but we'll figure that part out in a bit. I guess we don't need to do that if there's just one footer. We just tackle the footer. Live and learn, hanging on the edge of tomorrow. Alright, so we want the 3 circles. So we're gonna call these divs social icon or something. I don't know. Class icon. Oh, there is a shortcut. I don't know if it's on here though. There is a shortcut though for duplicating these. I just don't remember what it is called in this. Whatever, it doesn't take that much time. we need 3 of these anyway. So, and inside of this, we'll have the image. Yeah. So we're not going to worry about it, but we want these to be circles. And if I recall... border... radius... is it 50%? And then background color black. Interesting. Are they up here, maybe? Wait, what's the comment shortcut? Do you remember? Yeah, fucking, yeah. No, I'm sorry. What I'm thinking of is, the comment is the really annoying Control K, then C. Aha! Yes, thank you. Now I remember. It's been a while. You're right. Completely right, Josh. So we're going to call this, footer. And call this... But there's like one of the, I think Angular, I'm sure React has it too, where you can like hide, or no, it's probably, what's the CSS sugar thing called that I'm thinking of? It like makes CSS even more really usable. Oh, damn it. It's like something that you add on your CSS that... Less in Sass. Yes, thank you. Less in Sass, for sure. Okay, so footer. We need to force it down, I think. So, float. Not float. Oh, position. I forgot about also bottom pixels. Bottom and top. Yeah. Ah! Hey. Okay, they're here. They just don't have anything in them, I guess? What the hell? Do I need to give them dimensions, I guess? Oh, I did forget about that. Damn, I forgot about a lot. Oh, wait, this is the footer. Oops. Alright, there we go. We need them much smaller than that, but... A little bit bigger than that. Let's try the middle way. Yeah, that's probably about right. I always forget if you have to do this. I'm pretty sure you don't have. You shouldn't have to. Yeah, I didn't think so. And they're not supposed to do this, but there we go. Okay. The floating doesn't work. I forgot. Ah.
Do you think I want this? Don't stop.
Oh my gosh. This is random. Totally random. I'm so glad that I got this song though. What the hell? I shouldn't have to put these in a list. Do I? Oh man. I'm trying to get the icons to go on the ground and stay in the middle and also spread apart. Oh wait, couldn't I just... Yeah. So, remove the float. Alright. Interesting. Flexbox. Yeah, that's probably what I'm thinking of. Yeah, because that's not working. Because floating it forces it to the left or right. Divs. Center. Bottom 0, right 25%, left. What? Margin left. Margin. There they go. That's what I wanted. see. What's up? Mama's not home just yet. Robbing. Well, it's my own site, it's fine. Alright, I'll go look at Flexbox. How you doing, Lady Mesa? Hacking isn't following the law. Says you. There's a poster literally about Flexbox. What the hell, why? Yes, display flex. Amazing. Okay, but no, this is me, Lady Mesa, trying to relearn how to code, because I know how to code on a very specific set of skills, but I was trained as a web developer originally, and I've lost a lot of my knowledge. So I'm just kind of helping myself get better again at it. Oh, the Flexbox. Alright. So, okay. We can back up this. Oh, also, I think I might be stupid. I think this is for the footer. There. But it's okay. So the container is this. So, display flex. Row default left to right. And yeah, okay, so Funky's a genius. We'll do this 10 pixels. There we go. Now to center it. I have to center the footer. Ah, it's literally here. Justify content. That didn't work! Damn it. That didn't work either. Son of a gun. Oof, I almost just cursed, but like not even thinking about it. No, I didn't remove it. It's still here. I guess I just don't understand it. Oh, is the position absolute causing it to not work? Yeah, they're in the footer. Here, I can even do this. And then let's just say color blanched almond. Do not send it at all. Yeah, it's the icons for that. White. And then text align center. And then font size, I don't know, 20px. There we go. They're not centered, but it's fine. Trying to understand your code right now. Well, my code right now ain't understanding me. I want to be understood. Yeah, that's what I thought, too. Center. Is it because of this position? Maybe? No, well, it did center it. It's just now not at the bottom. Oh, with 100% would be a good idea, yeah. That'd be good to do that for this too. So if I say position again. Oh! There it is! What the hell? Alright, cool. Well, now that's more or less where I want it. Maybe we don't need the 100%. I'm just gonna see if I can get away without it. No, yep, that's what it was. Fucking... Ah, damn it! Damn it! That's 3 times in a row. Oh. Yeah, so the width. I don't know why it's scrolling, but yeah, that was it. Somewhat. Yeah, well, I understand that it's moving it funky, but I don't know why. I don't know why this would do it, but maybe? I did not fix anything. Width and hover over the footer. Oh. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay, so yeah. I don't know why, but I guess I have to put these left and right. And I want to make this right. Okay, yeah, now that makes sense, because The width is just, but the left and right actually gives you, I forget what the term was, but basically width 100% is not to be used all the time, especially when you're trying to place things. I remember that specifically. Okay. Okay. Cool. Wait, why are these... Just. Alright. Next we have to do the same thing with the nav bar. So... Just here we go. Yeah. Sick. And then right, margin right, 20 pixels. Okay. All right. We've actually, yes, the positioning. We actually have done it. We did the thing I wanted to do. Okay, now we have a very basic layout. Oh, jeez. That took way longer than it should have. Oh my gosh. Okay, well we did at least something today, and we did the thing that I wanted to do. It just took longer than needed, but it happened. Basic layout. Because this is Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, but I don't know what he wants specifically. He's just posted a website for his job, and it makes me feel so uncomfortable. Hey man, don't feel bad. Jason's done a lot in his life, and he's also older than us, so he's probably got more discipline than we do in a lot of ways. So don't feel bad. We're pampered. We just gotta reach on through. And if you think a coding stream would make you feel more confident as well, Funky, feel free to do it. I'll watch. I'll try to help where I can, but you have more recent experience than I do. I literally sat on my ass for however long since I was fired. Or no, I wasn't fired. I was let go. Ever since I was let go, and I haven't done anything. So this is for me. I don't know. I'd be too shy about it. Yeah, me too. But I did it anyway, didn't I? But yeah. I don't know when this is going to be tomorrow, because I have the tech interview that I was theoretically studying for, which I kind of didn't, since I was just like, you know what, I'm going to focus on just trying to make a project instead, because I feel like tests kill me on the inside. So we'll see how that goes, but this might be earlier tomorrow, or it might be later. We'll see. It might even be shorter. Who knows? Who fucking knows? Dang it. I can't believe I didn't even catch myself. I was just like, do it. You won't. Hold on. We're at Lucky 13 now. Jeez. Imagine doing so well the first hour and a half and then just curse your life away. I'm still planning on streaming more Ocarina of Time tonight. So I'll at least see you then, I hope. My goal for tonight in Ocarina is to at least finish the Forest Temple, since the temples are a lot longer, if I remember correctly, than the base game. But also, maybe do a couple side quests. Ugh. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. See you tonight for Zelda. Bye.